Welcome to my Road Power TV channel. The 2025 Jetour T2 SUV is here to shake things up in the midsize off-road segment, combining bold aesthetics, intelligent features, and rugged performance into one formidable package. This is not your average urban crossover. The T2 is built to handle harsh terrain while delivering comfort and technology that rivals premium brands. Right from the first glance, you know this SUV means business. The front fascia is aggressive, with a squared-off grille, beefy bumper, and modern LED lighting that give it an authoritative presence on the road. The wide stance, chunky fender flares, and high ground clearance immediately suggest off-road capability. Under the hood, the Jetour T2 doesn't disappoint. Powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine delivering around 250 horsepower and 390 Nm of torque, it's built for adventure. Whether you're climbing rocky hills or cruising on the highway, the T2 handles with confidence thanks to its intelligent all-wheel drive system and multiple terrain response modes. It's paired with a smooth 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission that provides seamless power delivery and efficient performance. The suspension is specially tuned for both comfort and ruggedness, with off-road ready dampers and chassis components designed to handle punishment without compromising ride quality. Step inside, and you're greeted by a surprisingly premium interior. The dashboard is dominated by a large, curved dual-screen layout that integrates the digital instrument cluster and the infotainment system into a seamless visual experience. Materials throughout the cabin are upscale, with soft-touch surfaces, leather-trimmed seats, and contrast stitching. Ambient lighting adds a touch of class, while functional elements like a wireless charging pad, rotary gear selector, and ample storage spaces make it practical for daily use or long expeditions. Rear seat space is generous, with plenty of legroom and headroom, making the T2 family-friendly as well as adventure-ready. Technology is where the Jetour T2 steps ahead of expectations. The infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice control, and real-time navigation. The interface is snappy, intuitive, and easy to navigate, even while on the move. Safety is another highlight, with a suite of advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. These features give you peace of mind whether you're on city streets or off the grid. Storage and cargo flexibility also stand out. The T2 offers a flat loading floor, split folding rear seats, and clever compartments that make it easy to pack for any journey. Whether it's camping gear, sports equipment, or groceries, the T2 adapts to your lifestyle with ease. Roof rails and optional tow hooks further expand its utility potential. One of the most exciting things about the 2025 Jetour T2 is its design philosophy that blends rugged durability with modern sophistication. It's not trying to be a luxury car, but it still offers an impressive level of comfort and refinement. It's not trying to be a hardcore rock crawler either, but it can definitely handle serious terrain. That balance makes it unique in a segment where most SUVs either lean too much into luxury or compromise on real capability. Jetour has managed to offer all of this at a competitive price point that significantly undercuts many of its rivals. That makes the T2 not just a smart buy, but a statement. It's for those who want to stand out, who seek adventure, and who appreciate a vehicle that looks as tough as it performs. If you're in the market for a capable SUV that won't break the bank but still delivers on features, comfort, and capability, the Jetour T2 deserves your attention. This is more than just another Chinese SUV. It's a sign that the competition is heating up, and Jetour is ready to lead the way. We'll see you next video.